originally it was a meter Maid vehicle for New York, and I had bought it and then restored it like this. They did not come like this, especially with the wood doors or the wood back on
this part
truck bed. That was not there. What happened is, this is kind of a family event. When we made this, my brother works for Sherwin-Williams, and this is actually Sherwin-Williams paint, not the house paint, their automotive division. I wanted it to be red. He made this color up, and I think it's a little bit purple, but it's still the red, and it turned out great for an old school color. The wood, my dad does the wood, okay? He did all the woodwork. He made the doors. The doors actually come off. You can lift the doors off. They have a little scoop at the bottom here.
Wow.
That scoop puts the air into it. This is oak and actually walnut, and he's the woodworker. And basically, he starts with a piece of wood that's a tree stump or a tree log, and then cuts it up. He did the back, and even the back, the bed. He has the like an old Chevy floor where they have the runners and the actual wood. Did that up. This back used to flip up, and it was never a truck bed. I made the truck bed with the stake pockets. If anybody who knows these Cushmans, if they ever see one with a bed like this, it does look like it, but they won't have three stake pockets. I did put that in, and then made this back tailgate, and the tailgate flips down. Put a seat in the back, and I have a sliding window so I can talk to the people as you go down Woodward.
So what do you do with it mostly? Do you just...
I do drive it. I live in Plymouth, so I drive it around there. I was a teacher in Plymouth at Plymouth schools. I would drive it to school, and I use it here. You know, it can go. It's street legal as long as it has three wheels like that. You can drive them on the road. It'll do about 45 miles an hour comfortably. It's like riding into the wind with a 4x8 piece of wood, so it's not made for real fast speed, but it'll do every bit of 45 miles an hour. It is the original engine. They were 18 horse. I did bore and stroke it, so it's about 24 horse is roughly what it is. A lot of people put the Vanguard motor in them. I really wanted to put an S&S motor in it, which is a motorcycle and a Baker transmission and scoot it, but if you ever sat in the thing, it's a little bit nuts. So
the motor is right underneath there.
Yeah, it's right in. You actually sit on the motor. Hold this a second. It's right here underneath the seat, and basically, it's that shroud actually comes off in there, and you can work on it pretty easily.
Yeah, it looks pretty accessible, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then that airflow goes right in.
Yeah, those airflows actually go in, and those are just registers for like at a house where you...
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, those are nice ones. Nice oak registers.
Yeah, yep. You kind of cheated there. Didn't have to make them.
I think the color in the wood is striking.
Yes, yes, it is. It is so cool. I think it really turned out nice. I really am happy with it.
So are you going to take this out later?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you guys want to go for a ride,
yeah, we might want to ride in the back.
Yeah,
that might be a good time.
Yeah, no problem. It's the way to see Woodward. You're on Woodward when you're in this.